Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my July plan with me and bullet journal setup in a minimalist way. Before we step in, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. So, as July it is a summer month, I've picked a floral theme. And because it is a minimalist planner, I'm not using colors, but feel free to choose your favorite ones in your bullet journal. I'll link all the pens that I'm using in the description box below. So for the cover page, I've did some different flowers and I'm lettering the name of the month in the middle. The second spread, it is the monthly view. I'm doing some black shapes, not very precisely, where I'm gonna write the name for weekly dates. In the left side, it is a space that I'm gonna use for important things to do during this month. For each day I'm doing a small black circle and I'm gonna write with white every day of the month. For the next spread, I'm doing my habit tracker with the same layout, a black background and writing with a white pen. This month I want to track my workouts, my healthy food and the reading days. Next, I'm setting some boxes for things that I want to read this month and things that I want to watch. I'm adding some loose flowers and we're good to go. For the final spread, I'm setting up my priorities for the first week of the month. So I'm doing 5 boxes for each working day and 1 box for the weekend. I'm setting different boxes for work and for personal stuff. I'm adding a zone for things that I want to buy this week and also my meal plan for each day. And that was for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you do your planner setup in a minimalist way, please tag me in your photos on Instagram because I would love to see your monthly setup. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!